Yo, yo, we're back doing the thing. Goodness. All right. Oh man. Okay, let me go. Gotta do the whole like let's promote the thing now. Um all right. All right. All right, so let's talk about where we are right now. Let's talk about where we've gotten to so far. It's in a good spot. So ignore the constant loading. All right, let's reload this. So at the moment we have a test, so we can do like checking email, and it loads. Now here's the problem: is that currently right now it just sits here and spins, which there's nothing we can do about. It is working. This testing thing here tells me that it's working. So we'll give it a second. We'll let it run. Sorry, I'm just trying to line this up so that we can actually see it. It's going to keep loading. And then boom, it says, hey, I completely understand the struggle. Overwhelming, blah, blah, blah. It's doing all the stuff. And so for me particularly, I realize it's not everyone's situation, but for me, I always feel so much better if I've at least gone through my email just to check and make sure and that it's fine. So like, yeah, we got stuff here now that pops up, and it's using the quotes. So boom, like right here, boom. So use that quote in here and here, and we have all these other ones. So a couple of things that we want to do is, one, we want to make it so that these are obfuscated, that instead of giving the actual full quote, we're just going to give the episode, and then we're going to go and load. Well, actually, we're just going to load up the episode and like leave it at that. So that's where we are now. This is a good spot to be in. Should have like headphones on or something so I can load up another. Why did I? No, don't go incognito. There we go. Make sure it's not going to be too loud. It's probably still too loud. Hold on. Lower the volume a little bit. There we go. Oh, now it's like you can't even hear it. Okay, maybe that works. Keep my mic where it was. I'm gonna cut my volume down. There we go. All right, sweet. And now we can work on this in a chill way. Also, if you can't hear the music or if the music's too loud, just yell and I'll fix it. But I know the music can sometimes bother people. Sometimes I can't sit in quiet. So like, I'm going to have my music playing. Y'all can have it or not have it. Up to you. All right. So we got to do a couple of things here. The first is, let's hide that really quick. Let's just get some default like stuff in here built up, which is going to be like a get app, get episode, and then like, yeah, episode. I don't want to, I mean, yeah, I guess you can do an ID, but we could also just have it be like a string, but you know, UUID, sure, whatever. Wait, we don't have the UUID for these. Whatever. And then we want like, no, we don't want search, but we want like get all episodes basically. Episodes like that. Response HTML class. Response HTML response. Cool. So we can do that. And then we need to import. So from app db pg import all episodes. So we want both of these. Let's do this. Just all right. Yep, cool. And then this one is going to be something similar. That's not an integer. This is a string because it's a UUID. If I remember correctly, a UUID can have. You know what? Let's do this. And then we need to have templates for all episodes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My wife brought me an arepa. In for a minute, the audio and music are straight. Cool. Appreciate that. Appreciate you. Yeah, so my wife brought me an arepa, which means that the stream will be going, but just know we start acting wild, that arepa's calling me, so. All right, so for this, we're gonna do our extends. We're gonna extend our base.html, boom, yep. Yep, block content. We don't need to do a, we can still do the search form, why not? And then we want to do like a for list for episode in all episodes. I think we're gonna just do, let's see. All right, div, ul, li. Actually, how do you want to do this? You want to, this is where I'm torn, because it's like, I love how Pico does their articles. So we can just do article like that. And then we'll do like h3 episode.title, something like that. And then we'll do the for loop here. Yep, for episode and episodes, episode title, and then in for. Perfect. And now let's go back to base, and we're gonna add, we've got home here. Let's add all episodes. So we come back. How's this gonna work? Here, boom. Really? Oh, really? Okay, cool. Let's go home, episodes, detail not found. That's fine. Detail not found. What does that mean? All episodes 404 not found. Is that just because the URL's wrong? Or it didn't get saved? It didn't get saved. Oh. Yeah, it's just called episodes. That's on me. But also this didn't get saved. Why did this not get saved? It didn't get saved because we didn't add the request body into here and to here. Sweet. All right, now that got saved. It's gonna reload. Sweet. We go here. It's not all episodes, it's just episodes. Internal server error, boom. Has no attribute all episodes. You a lie. Come on now. So we got, if we do PG, oh, it's CRUD. It's pg.crud where all episodes is from. That's fine. So let's go to main, go up here. This was actually the conversation that I had, the other day when I was building the desk. I was putting the desk together and I was like, yo, how in depth do y'all lay out your stuff? And see, this came back and bit me in the butt right there because I was doing some other stuff. Where are we at here? Boom. Okay. You didn't change your import. Okay, that's fine. Reload the, oh yeah. Oh, duh. I was like, why is it not reloading? There. Okay, so that's a different error. There's supposed to be an end block in all episodes. Where's the end block? Oh, because I didn't do the end block here. Yep, end block. Cool. Boom. Okay, so now we got these things. Whoa. Did Pico get like extents-based.html? Yeah, Pico's right there. Static CSS Pico min.css. Is that supposed to have a? That's supposed to have that on there. I mean, that's, I don't think that, there it goes. Okay, cool. Sweet. I like it. Okay, so now we got the title object. Why is it not liking the title object? Let's just do this. Let's just go. I mean, this is not going to be legible just because there's going to be so much of it. But that's fine. There you go. There. Yeah. And they need to be sorted, which is another annoying bit, but it is what it is. All right. All right. So and then so where's episodes? All episodes. I think what we want to do is we want to do like sorted, all episodes, key, x.title. Hold on, what is x in that? Yeah, what's that model? What's that model look like? Okay, yeah, we did have a title there. Sweet. All right, so if we go here, we've got, this should be x.title split, because we're only grabbing it off the episode number. We could technically also do like date published. I'm just trying to think of, because then we have to do like date time stuff. That's annoying. I don't really want to do that. Yeah, exactly. Like I could do the daytime thing and then I have to do like a bunch of daytime stuff. And I'm like, I really don't want to do that. It might actually work, but it's so annoying. And the thing is, like, I've done this before, so it's like I can just do split index 0. Because if you notice on the call, like everything here is number integer, like integer colon, like that's by design. So we can just split on that, take 0, and then all of that is an integer. Like that. And then built-in function or method object has notes. What do you mean? It doesn't like that I'm using title in this, but I wonder if I just do this. Yeah, boom, it does it. Cool. And then we can go reverse. All episodes must just be returning back the title or something. Yep. Select episode.title. So all we're doing is returning back the title. That's interesting. That's interesting. So I wonder if, because again, we want this in reverse order, just from the latest. Yeah, like that. Boom. Reload. Boom. There we go. Eventually these are going to have links. So this is where I'm trying to figure out for schema, or not schema, for CRUD, we want to do, how do I select different pieces? Like episode.title, episode.date. I think we just want episode, honestly. Select episode all, like, and we're just gonna load all of it in. Because I mean, everything that we have is like basically all the stuff. Yeah, episode object has no attribute split. but that's fine because that means that we can then just come in here into our main and then now do the thing that we were trying to do to begin with, which was x.title, .split, boom, reload. Whoa. Oh yeah, because it's trying to return everything in the actual, yeah. So .title, boom, there we go. So we can do episode.title, and then now we can do small episode date, paragraph episode.description. Sounds good. Boom, like that. And then the next step in this would be to push the, what are we looking at here? Let's add a link. I gotta figure out that. Why can I not think of the almighty? Come on now. Come on now. Stop acting wild. Why is it, what is it doing? It's so annoying. All right, episode title, chain, link. There it goes. All right. Yep, and this is gonna be episode.url. Like that. And then this is gonna be episode, and then it's gonna be episode.euid. It is ID, right? Like that. Cool. Boom. Okay. So I did get the ID. The ID is there. That's cool. So now what we need to do is go into main, and we need an episode template, which is fine. Okay, cool. Honestly, because I'm lazy. Bam. We don't need, show one is this. Okay, and then we want boom. There is no for loop here. Tab, and then main episode ID, get episode by ID there, episode, cool. So if we do this now, it's still not liking that. Get episode by ID. I did get episode by title. Yeah, so okay, so for CRUD. This is interesting because I don't think we need to get episode by title anymore if we can just do get episode by ID. So I'm going to actually remove this, get episode by ID, where episode ID is equal to ID, it's an integer, boom, boom, nope, stop, ID. Parameters. I'm pretty sure that's not correct, right? Yeah, episode ID is equal to ID. No operator matches the given. You might need to add explicit typecasts. Select conduit transcripts ID, title, and all those things. From conduit transcripts, where conduit transcripts ID is equal to ID1. Oh, because it's... This is where I'm a little confused on this. Yeah. I mean, that all looks correct. Now, why it's not correct beats me. But let's go here. Let's go here. Boom, boom. We get that error message. The error message is like parameters ID1. What is ID1? ID underscore 1. This is probably like just something that automatic IDs, non-defaults. Okay. Yeah, and ID, create a new hero instance. New hero underscore 1. Okay, that's what they did, plus ID plus 1. Real quick, did we change the field here? We didn't. I said this is an it. I don't think that's it. Oh, it is. Maybe it is actually, because that was listed as a string. Yep, that was it. All right. IDs, man, they'll get you every time. All right, boom. So, okay, now we've got all of that. So we've got like a whole space around what we're trying to do. So now we're going to add 2 buttons. We're going to add, oh, how do you add 2? Hold on. This is interesting because, yeah, this is a thing that happens. I think a lot of people do this. All right, hold on. You got your search form, right? We have button type submit search, right? We need another button. Can you have just 2? No, I don't think it's a type submit. I think you have to do an action, right? I could have sworn there's like a button action thing here, right? Is that not like on click? And 2 targets. There we go. All right. The formally has 1 action. Update the question many years overlying on JavaScript. Value. So then you get action, and then you get the input value. I used get, but now it works on post too. How does your retro and retro post work too? Yeah, I don't hate this. I honestly don't hate it. Yeah, because see, they're doing like form on submit JavaScript stuff being added. Ooh, see? Hold on, what's this? What? Yeah, see, that's clean. That's so much better. I like that. Okay, so yeah, you can just have two buttons. You can have type equals same thing, submit, form action, boom. And then form action would be AI search, and the regular one would just be search. So what I'm interested in is how does this work in terms of who wins? Also, can we do like class? I need to load the color schemes. That's not it. That's not it. Light card, dark card. Nope, don't care about that. Customization. Where's the color? Yeah, colors. There we go. Boom. Okay. Bunch of colors in a brand design system. The thing is, you gotta have like, you gotta add it in to the thing. Because what I'm thinking is we do like a pumpkin button here like this. Utility color class. Now the problem with this is I need usage with CSS. Here we go. We got to add this. Nope. Just want to make sure I still have all the stuff in here. Oh my god, where's my mouse? Thank you. We need Pico, what do they call it? Like Pico colors. CSS pico.colors.css. Come on. Come on. Mouse. Mouse, don't play with me. Thank you. Classless colors, colorsmin.css. Boom. All right. Fam. Oh, there it goes. Come on now. Oh. Okay, let's go there. Then jump back to here, static. Boom. Okay, colors. So now we got the colors in there. So we can do button, and then now the button is the pumpkin 300. Yeah. Pico background. Okay, now we go back to our form. Boom. That ain't the right color. Why can I not remember where my colon is? There you go. Was it dizzy? Yeah. Boom. Again, the background ain't right. Let me reload. Okay, that's in there. Oh, yeah, the path's wrong. There we go. Ooh, that ain't it. That ain't it. That's a contrast issue right there. Let's go. 300. He didn't look that dark. Didn't look that dark. Amber? We definitely don't want Amber 300. Amber like 250. We're not gonna sit here and keep playing with this, but like 250. Boom, like that. Let's go. Reload. Yeah. It's not great. There we go. That's not bad. Also, shout out to the blue and yellow gang. Shout out. I always throw my home colors in there if I can. All right, so let's put these in a grid. So boom, like that. Boom, askrag. Okay, so that's right. We don't have the other changes yet. So, okay. Because what I'm thinking of, and again, I'm trying not to reveal. Like, I'm just building the app. I'm not talking about the actual talk that I'm going to give. But we're going to be actually testing things and just verifying that things happen the way that we expect them to happen. So there's a part of me here that wants to just do like, all right, so we have search. Search passes this in. This is search results. I think what we do is we have, let's duplicate this. This is going to be AI search. It's going to be search. Current search results look like we're coming to advice, blah, blah, blah. The bot is loading. Okay, so this, we're going to get rid of all of this. In, oh, wait, hold on. No. Okay. AI search results and search results are there now. All right, so then that means back in main we can do, yep, that's good. This is going to be AI search results. We don't change that. That's going to be search results. Cool. Now that we're doing that, we can get rid of all of this. Keep the search form, and then include so this is where like my Jinja templating skills ain't gonna lie, I love me some Jinja, which means now we're gonna take like, no, copy this, paste that. This is gonna be because I want to make sure that this part's there. Loaded results are fine. That's a felt like it was going to add that copy to it. That ain't it. Hold up now. Yeah, there we go. Let's just remove the copy. Okay, that's what I thought. Just want to make sure this also does, yeah, that's that. I had copy in it too. Okay, cool. All right, so search results are okay, so we can get rid of all of this. That's here. Here are some quotes that talk. We don't want the quotes, so like. I don't think. Yeah, I think we can do that. We can add that little context in there. I think that's like a nice touch. It's almost like a highlight thing, but like we're not doing the highlight. We're only doing the segment. Hey, John, what's going on? Long time no chat with. I'm doing AI things, which means that I need to do them early in the day so that the rest of my day is ruined. I'm kidding. Now I'm working on this project for a talk that I'm giving next week, but then also working on this web application that I'm building based on my own data that I can use in my job for another, like, more projects and stuff. So the AI loaded results, now we're going to do this, and then we're going to include, which I will not lie, like just the amount of effort that I spent on render engines templating stuff has really made me feel like I'm not like the greatest Jinja person on the planet, but I feel like my Jinja skills are definitely a step above the norm. And yeah, then we do just loaded results. And I think we have to do with context. Do we? We'll see. We'll see on that. All right, so now let's test this. Boom. We don't need that. So checking email. Let's go. Boom. We just hit checking email. Nothing happens when you push that button, right? Yeah, nothing happens when we push that button. Interesting. Okay. How have you been, John? It's good to... I still see you out here making strides and doing a bunch of stuff. I'm always massively impressed with the amount of work that you're putting in. Okay, so yeah, we've got search and then we got AI search. So I think we're gonna have to rename this to just AI underscore search. Yep. All right, so let's push that button again. What do we get? Search 200. Okay, we just get responsive search results. Boom, query is query. All right, so now we need to do this, and then we need to pass those results in. WebSockets. Well, if you want to take a break in that, I'm going to need to figure out how to do streaming of information using Fast API a little bit later. So if you want to tackle that beast, you're more than welcome to join me in on that quest. Results are results. And then the, let's see, search results are include search form. We didn't include our there we go. I don't need episodes in there. Cool. Just want to make sure everything here looks right. Yep. Okay, cool. All right, checking email. We hit that button. It's doing its thing. That's loading. All right. Again, this is one of those things where it's like, I really wish. Sadly, I'll have to head out in a couple of hours, but that's fun. All right. So now that we've done this, we've got our results, and I think what we actually need to do here is we actually need to bucket those results. And instead of doing this, we're going to do bucket. Boom, boom. And it's going to be, yep, lambda x metadata title. So uh-oh. String object has no attribute metadata. Okay, so, oh, wait, similarity search on the query. All right. So similarity search is returning what? Is it returning just? Search.py. Is that it? There's nothing in that search.py. Why do I have a whole, like, get out of here? All right. Search.py, here we go. Similarity search with score. Okay. So what's the problem here? String object has no attribute metadata. Oh, okay. That's fine. That's fine. All right. This means that in loaded results, we said we want the we want the result metadata title. We don't want that. We just want the result. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Result, and then you would do something like that. Let's see how this goes. Okay, it's loading. Oh, we didn't close the for loop here. And for, yeah. It's loading, page content. String object has no attribute page content. What? Okay. Oh, no. That's because that's result. This needs to be entry. One more time. Boom. Okay. There we go, like that. So now we have Ah, so when you press enter, enter does the first button and not the second one, which is fine. Whoa, that's not fine. This part is not fine. Good Lord. Good grief. Good grief. All right, so we need to bucket the results for the AI one as well. That's all it is. Okay, so I am using lane chain. You are correct. And then we want yep, boom, that same thing. Yep, same thing. So now oh, actually so we pass that in, and then for this we do this in here like that. Because I think otherwise we wind up getting some goofiness involved. Vector response 0 page content. Yep. Or are you saying? Were you seeing that? Oh, the clean results. Oh, that's right. I added clean results into this. And the whole reason I did this was that clean results are. I don't think we need clean results anymore. I think we just do results. We just pass results in. Page content is what I just added. Yeah. But yeah, what I'm saying is I don't think we need clean results. I think the stream response. Oh, yeah. Crap. You're right. I do need clean results for this, for the stream response. That's fine. Results are here. That's fine. I kind of need to just see what this is checking. But yeah, this is the part that I'm wanting to fix. Instead of it just like running. I have to like go in and check it and make sure that it's actually running. Otherwise, who knows what happens. Okay, yeah, so this is what I was trying to do. One of the challenges that we have currently is that wait, what? Where's the response? Hold on. This went to loaded result. That's query search. AI search is AI search results. AI search results. Loads the form, does the HTMX thing, runs the query. Ah, that's why. AI query search, right? Or did I call it AI search or AI? Oh, I just called it query search. Yeah. I mean, that should be AI query search, which is fine. And then it goes into loaded results, and it should be AI loaded results. So this should be. I'm only putting AI in front of everything just so I know which pieces are going where. 404 not found. AI. What do you mean not found? It's right there. Reload. What are you getting? Oh, yeah. You're right. You're right. You're right. I'm wrong. There it goes. All right. Include loaded results. Simply not found loaded results. Oh, what? Oh, because it just says loaded results. That's why. It should be AI loaded results.html. Where is this at? AI loaded results. Okay, so that's in here. Here. Cool. There is also that issue of like, if an error happens, I need it to like return something that says an unexpected error occurred and then like raise the error. Like, okay, here we go. Boom. I totally get it. According to name, it's essentially to take control of your inbox by checking blah, blah, blah. And we're not doing any like massive like context management stuff because this is for a talk. This is a demo. In the route, not the function name. I'm not sure I'm following still, but this is working, so I'm happy. Does this still work? That still works. We click on that, we still get this. I really hate this is a task that I have, is that I need to get this separated into paragraphs. It's kind of annoying. So basically what's happening is if you just do like checking email and then you do search, you should get this, right? This is what we want. Here's some episodes on that. Okay, we also need to fix these. We need to fix the links here from loaded results. So the result is going to be a href equal. Oh, this we kind of do need to get by, because this is based on OpenSearch, and all of our actual transcriptions are stored in Postgres. There was something called Flash. Yeah, Flash is great. Flash is like if you have an issue, you just add Flash, and then like any errors, you can just say Flash errors. Definitely familiar with Flash, and multiple Flash messages of all kinds of stuff. Where are we on? Okay, yeah. Okay, so earlier I said we could get rid of our get by name. Totally still need it. And the reason being is because these were done out of band. These were done separate from each other. And because they were done separately, it means that I don't have the ability to go back, or at least I don't want to go back and like iterate through all of those entries again and then do all of the segmentation and stuff. Now, we're currently doing similarity search based on OpenSearch just so that we can do other OpenSearch things. We could easily go back and do like PG vector. So I like flicked my... Whoa, hold on. What just happened? Like I like hit my eyebrow piercing, and it like, I think it like turned in my head, and that did not feel fantastic. All right, where episode title is equal to title. Yeah, that's easy. Cool. Whoa. We get episode by title. Cool. Main, and then we run here. Yeah, something to that effect. Request title. Yep, that looks about right. And the reality is we probably should go back and just fix it and then make sure that our data is consistent across the board and that we have a link to the title and the thing. But the query itself is, I think they're both indexed, so we'll see. And we'll see. This is actually good because this will allow us to check our little AI tool and then be like, hey, are we doing the right thing here? Could we do a better thing? Okay, so this is going to be episode by title. Title equals. Oh, shoot. How do I URL encode that, though? Does it just work if I just do like title like that? Like, I'm pretty sure it doesn't, but like I kind of want to try. Save me a little bit of time and stress. Or can I just do like URL safe or something like that? Nope. Yeah, you definitely got to encode that. All right. So is there a Jinja built-in filter for URL encode for like quote plus or for quote? Jinja filter quote. Really? Also, I saw something. OpenAI chat backend fast API. Ooh, let's see. A chat request stream. Okay, so something similar. Keep an eye on that. Oh, they're using routers. Why did I never learn routers? I'm so bad with the router stuff. All right, so we need to check the built-ins. We need to see if there's a quote, word count, word wrap, sum, title, unique, truncate to JSON, safe. Environment, marking will be marked as safe. That is not it. Group, force escape. That's fine. Okay, so forced escape is probably what we're trying to do. So I want to make sure there's okay, replace characters in the string, safe sentences. So let's try escape first, and then if we need more, then escape. But also, like, what happened? Why did it did like a thing? Did you notice that too? Like the form returned like a bunch of stuff that was not what we were looking for. Well, yeah, that's not gonna do it. Oh no, I did the wrong one. Okay, there we go. Something broken here. Oh, I'm in episode. Yeah, no. I don't understand what just happened there, but that's not correct. I should not be in episode. I should be in loaded results like that here for entry page content. Yeah, see, this is the problem. I was like, why did this break? That's why. Result isn't it. Oh shoot, how do we do? We could do that. We could do results 0 title escape, something to that effect. Okay, now we reload it. I was wondering, I was like, why is it acting all goofy? Ooh. Generator object has no element 0. Okay. I'm pretty sure that gives you the bucket though. That doesn't give you. All right, so the problem that we're running into is that because we're doing a generator, we can't go, like, we need to convert the results themselves to a list. But the problem with that is the results are a bucket. They're not the list. Wait, what's the result? We have the result. We don't need. We don't. Yeah, we have the. Hold on. No, loaded results. Let me get rid of that. We have the loaded results. We don't need to. We don't need to get them twice. We just use result. Yeah. What am I doing? Just result. Escape. And then we can do. Like that. This is me thinking too hard. I'm not supposed to think this hard. I want to see something over here really quick. Boom. Okay, so maybe we do force escape? Because it did do the spaces. It just didn't do the other piece. Which is funny. I don't know if that reads properly in like stuff. We don't need that. Okay. And then, so if we do force escape. it didn't. So now the question is it because of how it was passed in? Because I'm guessing that it passed it in like, oh, okay, yeah. So no, it did the right thing. It did the right thing. This is fine. We could just do escape. Our crud get by title. We need to unquote this. So we're going to from Eurolib parse import unquote. Okay, so it's loaded now. Episode by wait. Episode by title. You're right there. Okay. App get episode by title. Oh, because it passed it. It just passed it in directly. It didn't pass it in. Yeah, that's my fault. Load a result. It's not that. It's title equals. Yeah. That. There it goes. All right. Input should be a valid integer. Unable to parse the string by integer. You're not an integer though. Which tells me I'm probably still calling the wrong thing. No? I'm so confused. Integer parsing. Path. That's input by title. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is that thing where like order is important because we did that, which we could have done like by ID as well, but like we could also just make this episode by title like that. And that just prevents that mistake from ever happening. I need loaded result. I need to take that, add that, and then I don't think we need to force escape anymore. I think we can just do escape. And then let's just do that. Hit enter. There we go. That's what I was about to say. I feel like this was... We were close. All right, so we're gonna just double check this. So search for it. Yeah. Boom. Okay, cool. All right, so now we've done all the things. Now time for time to learn from the people who have done this before us. AKA our friends. No. Come on. Out over here. Nope. Why are you refusing to open up in another window? Okay, whatever. Okay. All right. So our good friend Pamela Fox sent us the cheat codes for streaming on Fast API. Super, super awesome. Now, the difficult part, getting it to work. Because again, I don't think it matters in terms of the method here. What I need to see more than anything on this is okay, that's all cool. That's all fine. All right, what I want to see is oh, it's just the back end. It's not even the front end. Where's the front? No, I need the front end too. I need the front end though. It's not the back end that I'm struggling with. Well, I mean, the back end I am struggling with, but I'm also struggling on the front end side. Chat.py. Yeah, chat record. Okay, so yeah, this is just the whole thing. Because the challenge here is that I want to be able to stream the results as they're happening. And we talked about this the other day where like we have an example of this. From here. And what we do, like we just create that generator that's streaming this. And then we just say do this thing as a request, and then for every can't type. Yeah, like this is fine. Serialized JSON is not even the problem here. It is so like the challenge that I'm having is I don't know the exact process for like I can stream the response. The streaming response isn't the problem. That's easy. Well, I won't say it's easy. That is, I think we've got that figured out. Like ultimately with this is here, no, not here, This is the AI query search. Okay, yeah. So instead of doing a template response here, you do a streaming response. Yeah, we also need to import streaming response. Uh-huh. Someone also sent me another link to a thing. Using readable streams. So when we do our query search here, instead of this template response, we're not doing a template response anymore. We're doing a and with that, we don't need the request. Okay. We don't need the context. Hold on. So if I remember correctly, it's going to just respond in custom response, stream file others. Okay, cool. HTML response, that's fine. Return response. Document and open API and override response. Nope. Plain text response. You know what? Streaming response. Yeah, iter file. Yeah, so this is, okay, so this is what we need. We just need some function here, which I don't think we even need that. Oh, you do need that. Okay. Shoo. All right. So all of this apparently needs to go inside of here, which is fine. Like that, I kind of like that anyway. And then we need to, for content in stream, then we just need to yield content. So like that. Like that. This really makes me want to message. Okay. So we do this. So now the challenge that I'm looking at here, they're just saying, okay, so they are passing in the whole function, which is good. Media type is going to be text though, right? Oh, that's with file like objects. Streaming response, fake. Okay, yeah. Oh, they did it outside of that too. I guess it works either way. Yeah, I don't think that's a problem. Oh, come on now. Come on now. This should be tabbed out like that. Okay, and then should be AI stream response query, and then yeah, clean results. Like that's what we're trying to do. So like that's the thing. So now let's go to Thunder Client and see what happens, because we need a new request, and we want, it's AI search, right? AI search, and then body. Oh, it's form. Okay, so yeah. Wait, how does that work? Wrong one. AI query search. That's what we're looking for. AI query search. Then we have, that's still a form and it's still a query. Okay, so let me just pass the query in. The method not allowed because it's a post, not a get. Post, it's doing things. And again, this is where I'm really confused because I don't know what that looks like in terms of a streaming response. Apparently it doesn't look like anything other than a 200 okay. So I wonder if it's like, if it returns the okay and then does, okay. So yeah, it's just doing the thing. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Because it still does the thing. Oh, also, I don't need to run that twice. That's I probably made it take even longer. We still get the 200. But we do get the 200 early, which is good. Also, this should be an async thing. So it did its thing. Best regards. I love it. It's just so unhinged. It's just like, nah, man, I'm good. I don't understand. Stop saying best regards. You're not a letter. You're not a letter. All right. This was mostly meant to keep me chained to the desk so that I can get things going. Jeez, what are we doing here? So how do we add the streaming part though? So they're saying do the chunk thing. You do an iter and then you chunk it and go from there. Request URL stream equals true. So again, like how do we like streaming HTMX maybe? To HTMX. How to stream data from Flash to HTMX in real time. SSE? Oh, okay, so like someone made an extension called SSE. The contents of the body will be updated in real time with every SSE message received from the chat room. I kind of like that though. It's pretty cool. Main tool, response stream, event stream. Start streaming on request. Okay, let's try this extension. Okay, on their end, they're saying, boom, boom. They're saying that our, this piece here. Throw that in there like that. And then we have to do, what is it? It's like, you call the extension and then you do a swap. Okay, that's fine. Where does it see message though? Because this is what I'm confused. Like, this is fine. Let's at least give it a chance and see what happens. Oh, and then yeah, I should include the hx include query and do the trigger like that. I mean, if it's that easy, I'm gonna be over the moon, but I highly doubt it's that easy. Let's see. Not found. Oh yeah, because I did connect. Duh. AI. What do we call it? AI search. AI query search. That's funny. I'm over here like, why is it not working? AI query search. There we go. Reload. Reload. Method not allowed. I mean, we could still do a get. Like that's fine. Like that doesn't need to be a post. Unprocessable entity. I don't even like how do we work around this? All right, you know what? This is a good time to call it. I need to eat. I've also got stuff for this actual podcast. You're talking about Conduit. If you want to learn more about Conduit, then yeah, here. Check out any of these episodes. Caring to care. Boom. Episode.url. That's wrong. That's a bug. But if you want to play around with this, you're more than welcome to. Right now, the goal, and also I apologize for any lack of support that you'll receive on this. Conduit transcriptions fast API. Nope. There we go. Yeah, here. This is the repo Conduit transcripts fast API. I am going to load broken streaming not getting data. But thank you so much for hanging out with me. Y'all have been awesome. And I will see y'all in the next one. Probably tomorrow or the day after. See ya.